The Dubai Run is more than just a race. It's a testament to human endurance. It showcases the spirit of Dubai, a city that rises from the desert. Imagine thousands of runners, united by a common goal, coursing through this architectural marvel. The Dubai Run is a symphony of movement, a testament to the power of human ambition. This annual event attracts athletes from around the globe. It's a chance to push limits and achieve personal bests. But the Dubai Run is also a celebration of the city itself. Runners experience Dubai's iconic landmarks firsthand. The energy is palpable, the atmosphere electric. The Dubai Run embodies the spirit of progress. It reflects Dubai's commitment to excellence. Participants and spectators alike are captivated by the sheer scale and grandeur of this extraordinary event. It's a reminder that we are capable of incredible feats. The world is interconnected. Events in one region can ripple across the globe. This is especially true in the realm of travel and tourism. Recently, there have been significant disruptions in the cruise industry. Unrest in certain parts of the world has forced cruise lines to alter their itineraries. Cancellations and reroutes have become increasingly common. These disruptions have had a cascading effect on destinations that rely heavily on cruise tourism. Dubai, a major port of call for cruise ships, is feeling the impact. The decrease in cruise ship arrivals translates to a potential dip in tourism during peak seasons. Fewer tourists mean fewer potential participants in events like the Dubai Run. This is a factor that organizers must consider as they plan for the 2024 event. It underscores the need for adaptability and contingency planning in an ever-changing world. Dubai is known for its sunny skies and desert climate. However, even this modern metropolis is not immune to the forces of nature. In April 2024, Dubai experienced unprecedented rainfall. The city was inundated with floodwaters, exposing vulnerabilities in its infrastructure. These floods served as a stark reminder that weather can be unpredictable. While the Dubai Run takes place during a relatively dry period, the April floods highlight the importance of preparedness. Organizers must have contingency plans in place to address potential weather-related disruptions. The floods also underscored the importance of robust infrastructure. Dubai has invested heavily in its infrastructure, but the floods revealed areas for improvement. Addressing these weaknesses will be crucial to ensuring the smooth operation of future events, including the Dubai Run. Section 4. Charting the course, logistical considerations for the Dubai Run. Organizing a large-scale event like the Dubai Run is a logistical feat. Coordinating transportation, accommodation, and security for thousands of participants is no small task. Global events like the cruise ship disruptions add another layer of complexity. For runners arriving by sea, rerouted ships could mean delays and congestion at the port. This could impact their travel plans and potentially their participation in the race. Organizers need to work closely with cruise lines and port authorities to minimize disruptions. Communication is key in these situations. Keeping participants informed about potential delays or changes to the schedule will be essential. Providing alternative transportation options and logistical support will also be crucial to ensuring a positive experience for all involved. Section 5. Staying in the Loop, your guide to staying updated. The Dubai Run 2024 promises to be an unforgettable event. But as with any major event, staying informed is crucial. Global events and unforeseen circumstances can necessitate changes. It's important for participants and spectators alike to have access to the latest information. The Dubai Run Organizing Committee is committed to transparency. They will be providing regular updates through their official channels. Make sure to follow their website and social media pages for the most up-to-date information on the event. By staying informed, you can plan accordingly and ensure that you don't miss any important announcements. The Dubai Run is more than just a race, it's a celebration of human potential. Join us as we witness the spirit of Dubai in motion.